What's good, YouTube? So today we have our first mod. I know I've had the car for like almost a year and a half and it's our first mod, but we're in the M, as you guys can see by the seats, and we are doing the yellow DRLs. So yeah, stay tuned for this one. We're turning the X3M into an X3M CS.
I'm with the walls, I'm in my zone, cooking the zone. Got me a clone, drip it long, hit him his dome, hit him and go. Hey, little bitch, yeah, watch your tone. She wanna give me neck in the ghost. Told her little bitch I ain't average Joe. She wanna be gang.
Yeah, so we're here at my boy's shop. The bumper, unfortunately, has to come off. So that's 2 for 2. The AMG, we took the bumper off, but we didn't have to. But this one, we actually have to. So for those of y'all wondering, the module is right here. Same thing on the passenger side.
Like an athlete, hit a superstar sending her back. I don't know your baby mama, don't ask me. She a pretty girl, but she get nasty. Know how I go, I can't put nothing past them. They gon' do what you want with your cash up. You get free, let me know we can catch them. Baby off the top rope like it's wrestling. Don't even.
And like 500 little bolts later, a bumper is off. So yeah, time to get working on the DRLs. All right, now it's your YouTube channel, bro. Talk to the camera.
Oh shit. Just grabbing this headlight out.
Just like that. Headlight is out. Damn, it looks like I'm maxed. Damn, the car looks crazy. What are those, T10s?
20s.
So 3 T20s, y'all, and the shit comes right out. And I got the full module, so you don't have to even touch the board. Should just be plug and play. Oh, that might be a scat, bro.
That's definitely.
Let's see if the other customer came.
The
old OEM's out. See the difference?
With the new. They don't look too much different.
They look the same, except the only difference,
It's
if you
not
guys
getting
want to
mixed
tell,
up.
is this thing right here. The adjuster is white, and on the aftermarket ones is black. Alright, so now we're gonna test to see if the yellow DRLs work. And they do. That shit looks gangster.
I know I ain't bought her a bag. You can't fuck with me, I know why you mad. She can't forgive me, I give her a swag. Mama won't jazz, so I bought her a jag. Big Louis duffel is not for the fashion. Oversized jacket to cover my